Welcome to this tutorial on how to update Airvo 3 software using the F&P Device Manager application. This video is intended to be used by those responsible for applying software updates to the Airvo 3 suite of devices, such as biomedical service technicians. This video will cover equipment required, how to install the Device Manager application, and how to use the application to update Airvo 3 software. You will need an Airvo 3 device, an Airvo 3 USB service cable 900PT474, and the F&P Device Manager installed on your computer. You will also need internet access and mains power. The F&P Device Manager is an application that can be downloaded from F&P Services web platform. It allows you to check if the Airvo 3 device has the latest software and update if required. If you have already installed the Device Manager app, you can skip to the next chapter called Software Update. To download and use the app, you'll need access to F&P Services. Contact your F&P representative to receive an invite to F&P Services. Set up your account using the same email address with which you were invited. Once you have set up an account, you can log in. In the dashboard, select Software Update and select View Release for the Device Manager. Select Download and Install by double-clicking the installer file. You may need to contact your IT department to install the Device Manager app. Now that you have the Device Manager application installed, you are ready to check and update software. First, you'll need to get the equipment ready. Connect the Airvo 3 to power using the power cable. Connect the Airvo 3 USB cable to the back of the Airvo 3 and the USB port of your computer. Turn on the Airvo 3. Open the Device Manager application on your computer. Check that it shows the serial number and connected status. Sign into F&P Services. Select Check for Updates. The application will check for updates and start downloading the latest software. Select Update. Confirm the Airvo 3 is connected to mains power supply and select Continue. On the Airvo 3, go to the home screen by selecting either New Patient or Same Patient. And select Continue. A PIN will be displayed on the Airvo 3 home screen. Enter the PIN on the Device Manager application and select Start Transfer. This will start the transfer of the new software. Do not disconnect the USB service cable from the Airvo or the computer. If the transfer fails, please select Fail and try again. The Airvo 3 device will automatically restart once the software update is complete. The Device Manager will confirm the update has been successful. To check software version on the device, select System menu, Device Info, and Version Info. The Airvo 3 software update is now complete. For more information, please refer to the Airvo 3 Device Manager Quick Reference Guide. This can be found in the link below or by contacting your local Fisher & Paykel healthcare representative.